this always do this to me? What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing some fun stuff. I just need to fix my camera real quick. Capture device. Ah, there it is. Dope. Hey, hey! Yeah, boy! My dog is really weird sometimes. Let's turn on some tunes. Do some stream beats dubstep. Sorry guys, just give me a minute. YouTube.com. Hey, look at that. It's me. It's me, Mario. Sorry guys, just give me a minute. Uh-oh. It's my first, well, one of my many first streams on YouTube, so it's still new learning here, so give me a minute. Post. Boom. Alright, so I got that, and now I just need to post on Twitter, because there's so many things to do, dude. Alright, tweet. Kylo, shut up. Alright, and then as me, we're going to go here. Oh, look. Share. Share now. There we go. All it might. Alright, we're gonna try this out, see what it's all about. Now that we're streaming on the YouTubes. Let's turn on the light a little bit here. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see it well enough. I'd say you can. I'm in HD, so it is what it is. Alright. Welcome everyone to stream, by the way. We're doing some, today, I'm trying out the website, TryHackMe. For some reason, my chat's being all weird. Uh-oh. Oh no! Chat. My chat fucked up. Oh well. Default view, go to that. I'll just watch it this way. Alright, so this is good. I have my thing. That's completed. No answer needed. All right, dope. Methodology. After careful consideration, I've deemed the best way to go about this is to introduce various concepts in sections, which each section be more complex and requiring knowledge from the previous section. To better enable the transition between section, I split each section into different users in the VM. When you finish the section, you'll have to complete a challenge, and then you'll be able to move on to the next section. All right, well, I read the above, so moving on. Section 2, running commands, basic command stuffs. All right. Now that you've logged into the server, you're into the server. If I could read, it'd be a miracle, guys. All right. You're going to want to do things, and everything that can be done over SSH is done by running commands. To start out, we'll take a look at some of the basic commands, and the first command will be echo. Type echo hello. We all know what echo hello does. And press enter, and you'll see input echoed back at you. Hello. Hence echo. Cool. There. That should look a little bit better. All good. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Much like the word it's named after, echo returns whatever's inputted into it. Congratulations, you've completed your first Linux command. Look at that, guys. We're learning. We're learning. All right, manual pages and flags. Let's take a look. Most of the commands you'll learn about have a lot of options that are not immediately known at first glance. These options are known as flags and have the format command flag input. These flags can be learned about using the man command. The man command has a format man command. It's pretty much a manual, is my understanding. Therefore, to learn about flags for the echo command, we could type man echo. Typing that shows us a nicely formatted document. Let's go ahead and do that. Man, oops. All right, so man echo. Boom, look at that. That's huge. Huge. All right, so name displays, synopsis, short option, string, long option. Each echo the strings to standard output. N is do not output the trailing new line. E, lowercase e, enable interpretation of backslash escapes. Capital E, enable and disable interpretation of backslash escapes, default. Help, display this, help and exit. Version, output version information to exit. If tech E is in effect, the following sequences are recognized, right? Alert, backspace, produce no further input, escape, form feed, new line, carriage, return, horizontal tab, vertical tab, a bunch of other stuff. Cool. We got a lot of information, but the flags are stored in the description section. For example, a flag to remove the new line is tech n. So to output Shiba, without the new line, you would type echo in Shiba. Some commands support the H flag, meaning you could type command and get a list of flags and other useful. Cool. All right. How would you output hello without a new line? So, all right, let's go ahead and we'll quit that. So let's do it. All right. So echo hello. And without a new line, we do tech n, I believe. Nope, I'm wrong. Echo tech n hello. I'm pretty sure that's it. So we would do echo tech n hello. Submit. That's correct. Oh boy. All right, cool. Moving on. All right. So ls is a command that lists information about every file directory in the directory. Just running the ls command outputs the name of every file in the directory. Ls, you'd see Shiba, whatever, right? So if we did ls here, we just see Shiba1. As with other commands, ls has many flags that can manipulate the output. For example, ls tech a shows all files directories, including the one that starts with period. So if we did ls tech a, boom. What flag outputs all entries? That would be tech a. Okay. What flag outputs things in a long list? Well, how do we figure that out? We do man ls. Man ls will show us everything. So let's see. So they want a long list. So ls option file description list information about files, sort entries alphabetically if none of blah blah. So A does do not ignore entries. Almost all do not list implied period and dot dot. Author escape skill sizes by the size before printing them. Ignore backups. Tag C with tag LT sort by and show stuff. Let's see. List entries by columns, directory. All right. Here we go. All right. That's the next one. So human readable. I'm pretty sure it's going to be like TAC L or something, isn't it? Yep. Long listing format. So long list format would be TAC L. That's what I thought. But doesn't help to verify. Boom. Look at that. Cool, cool, ka-choo. All right. So now we will just go ahead and quit that. That's all good. All right. Mind you, pressing enter during this doesn't hurt. All right. Where's my phone? I'm going to turn on my lights above me. Actually, would this be better lighting? That looks way better than whatever the hell I was doing. Cool. I don't know what's going on for my chat, though. Yeah, for some reason, the chat box edit widgets data. Ooh, shit. Let's see here. Do, 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 do. Pretty sure it's already in there. Yep, it's already in there. Boom. Just try to set up some stuffs real quick, or make sure my thing is like semi-correct. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da. I don't know, I'm going to have to look into why my thing isn't working correctly. Because that and my stream, my activity thing is also not working. I also need to make sure my Spotify is going to repeat. Do 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 do. What is going on? Weird. Why is something all weird? Okay, well, that's working at least. I don't know what's going on, but oh well. All right, let's go ahead and continue, eh? Hope everyone's doing fantastic. All right, so now, all right, so cat, short for I didn't even know what this was. Concatenate. I don't know what the fuck. What the heck is that? Does exactly that. It outputs contents of files to the console. For example, given a file filled called a .txt, which contains the data hello, cat a.txt would output hello. Note, cat supports the help flag, meaning that you can use useful flags without going to the man page. What flag numbers all output lines? All right, so we'll do cat tac help or tac help. All right, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be like number or something. Yep, number all output lines. So it's going to be tac n or tac number, tac n. Boom. Would you look at that? We completed another thing. Boom. All right, so touch is a pretty simple command. It creates files. Given the command touch b.text, b.text would be created. Read the above. All right, well, let's do that real quick. So touch b.txt, right? ls, and now we see b.txt. Cool. All right, completed. Running a binary. I don't think I've ever heard of this. Oh, a bin. All right. Got some coffee. Like Network Chuck over there. Yes. Occasionally there will be times when you want to run downloaded or user-created programs. This is done by providing the full path to the binary. For example, say download a binary that outputs newt. What? Providing the full path to that binary will execute it. Okay. Note, a binary is just an executable code. Think of Windows.exe file. Cool. Okay, so kind of like also like a bat maybe or something. So this seems like a good time to mention relative paths. Every time you intend on running the binary, you don't need to provide a full path. You can use relative paths. Relative paths. The chart below will assume the current path is /tmp/aa. So Meaning if the current directory, so relative, okay, so it's talking, so yeah, the dot, dot, and the squiggle, right? So if I'm in my current directory, no matter where I'm at, right? If I run something, the absolute path would be, wait, meaning blah. Absolute path. Okay, cool. Gotcha. Running binary with a relative path. So, dot. Okay, yep. Slash hello. Running a binary path with an absolute path. Temp AA, hello, temp hello, temp user hello. All right. These shortcuts are incredibly efficient and save time. These shortcuts are for every command. These shortcuts for every command. So if I were to run ls dot, it would be the same as running ls current directory. How would you run a binary called hello using the directory shortcut? How would you run a binary? Pretty sure it would just be like dot slash. What? How would you run a binary called hello? Oh, okay. How would you run a binary called hello using the directory shortcut? So it would be just probably dot slash. Oops, wrong slash. Dot slash hello. Dot bin. I'm pretty sure, right? So let's submit that. Uh-oh, wrong. So... Oh, just dot slash... Oops, dot slash hello. I don't need to do dot bin. That's what it was, yep. Alright, how would you run a binary called hello in your home directory using the shortcut squiggle? So I would do squiggle slash hello. Yes. How would you run a binary called hello in the previous directory using the shortcut dot dot? So I would do dot slash hello. Easy enough. Easy enough. Okay. Shiba 1. Now that you've learned basic file operations, you can solve the first challenge. This challenge is pretty simple. Create a file called newt.txt. So I could do... once you're done, run the binary, and you'll be given the password for the user Shiba 2. All right, so... No, the name of the binary Shiba 1 is shown in the title. Cool. So I would do touch newt.txt, right? ls. I now have newt.txt. Once you're done, then I would do run Shiba 1. Once you're done, run the binary and you'll be given a password for Shiba 2. Pingu FTW. Alright, so Pingu FTW. That is a password for the next one. Boom. We correct, boys. Alright, so Pingu FTW. Cool. SU. Alright, now that we have our next user password, it seems like a good time to cover SU. SU is a super user. Is a command that allows you to change the user without logging out and logging back in again. For example, if you want, so as another user, okay. For example, if you want to switch to Shiba 2 while you're the user Shiba 1, you would type SU Shiba 2. You would then be prompted a password, and if you entered Shiba 2's password, you would then become Shiba 2. Type SU on its own is the equivalent of typing SU root. Cool. All right. I like it. Now that you have some beginner knowledge to use to using Linux, it's time you take it a step further and join the Linux 2 Fundamentals program. Terminate the machine. All right, so we're terminate this machine. Cool. All right, terminate it. And now we'll go to TryHackMe Linux 2. All right. This room is the second part in the Linux Fundamentals rooms. This room covers the following topics: Linux operators, advanced file operators. Deploy machine and SSH into the room as explained in the task below using the following credentials. These credentials will be available from the last task of the fundamentals part. There isn't a browser-based machine. Well, I can use putty, which means I actually need to exit this. Because... Alright. Okay, so it's doing its thing right now, I think. Or is it? I don't know. I think it is. Join this room. I don't know what this means. I don't know what join this room means. Okay. Oh, okay. Unless they're asking me to do it here. Sorry, machine, please wait. Hooray, your machine has started. Oh, wait. Completed? Read the above. I did. So Shiba 2, ping you for the win. All right. SSH intro. SSH is the act of remotely accessing a machine. SSH allows you to run commands interactively on the remote machine. This is done through the use of a program on the target machine, which allows the SSH client to interface with the target host, while the most common usage of a regular... Okay, so I don't need my own putty. I'm an idiot. All right. That's fine. Don't care. Well, the most common usage of a regular operating system is graphically. SSH goes through command line, meaning anything done on the target machine will be done through a command prompt similar to this. It may look intimidating at first, but you'll soon find out. You can do much of the same functionality that you're able to do using graphical user interfaces. Dope, 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 dope. Sorry, guys. My hair's a little out of whack, so we'll put a little thingy thing on. Better. All right. All right, guys. So, it may look intimidating at first. It is an elevated tool. You'll be blah, blah. This section will purely focus on the Windows way, and after we learn more about Linux commands and how they work, we'll return back to this section and learn about the Linux method. No, please do not try to SSH into the VM from the welcome room. You can only access content in this room from the VM provided in task 1. If you forgot to terminate any other machines, please do so. Then press the green button to deploy the Learn Linux VM provided in task 1. I hope I'm doing this right. 10.10.220.38. Okay, so I'm pretty sure. When he says 215, yep. That's fine. SSH intro. I completed that. That's fine. All right. So, disclaimer: please do not use putty if you are already on Linux. Use instructions for the SSH binary down below. Okay. So, The field that we are most interested in. Okay. I wonder if I do have to no, I should have to use my own putty. That'd be weird. What's equal to... let's see here. Download putty. I already have putty. Once you install it, open it, and you will see this screen. Okay. I feel like I'm not supposed to use this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, let's see here. Is hostname IP address. Oops. Pretty sure I need to, like, close it or something. I'm pretty sure I have to close this somehow. Start machine. When you finish with a machine in your room, make sure to click the terminate button. I've done that. Use your own web-based Linux machine to access machines on TryHackMe. Start your attack box in the room. Okay, well, you know what? I'm working on it, guys. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? This is all new to me. Oh, okay. Download. Please note that the image uses SHIB1 over SHIB2. That's the correct username. All right. No, it's just an example. Replace this. Blah. Click yes, then prompt for a password. Just may not work in that case. Follow the SSH binary guide listed below. As an alternative to PuTTY, you may use SSH. That binary is accessed by going to your terminal and typing SSH. So go terminal here, and we would do the syntax on how to use command is SSH. So that's it. You'll use Shiba 2 at 10.10.220.38. I just had to read the damn instructions. I'm an idiot. It'll prompt me for a user password. Yes. Oh. Please type yes or no. Warning. Okay. So this is where ping you for the win comes into play. Boom. I'm now in. This is text on blah blah. Okay, cool. That's it. I can now run interactively. Cool. All right. Going on. All right. Linux operators. And I don't know what that symbol is called, but and. I'm just going to call it and. And means, as you might expect, and. Meaning and allows you to execute a second command after the first one has executed successfully. Meaning ls and echo hello will work fine, but and echo hello will fail. Okay. Since the second command happens after the first command, you can use something created in the first command in the second command. Okay. So echo hello. Okay, so what are they doing here? So they're running a temp A and, wait, no. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Not sure I fully understand what they're trying to do there, but I think I kind of get it. All right, much like and a single and has nothing to do with and at all. I'm trying to say that times fast. It's background operatings, meaning, say you run a command that takes 10 seconds to run. Normally, you wouldn't be able to run commands during that period. However, with that symbol, that command will still execute, and you'll be able to run other commands. So, temp A and sleep 5, right? Sleep 5. Oh. I think, okay. So I'm pretty sure it's just saying what directory I'm in right now is what I'm guessing. It's like right now I'm pretty sure I'm in the home directory, but okay. Sleep 5 and, which means I can ls, okay. No, I can't exactly show time in an image, but trust me, I really did wait 5 seconds. Okay. Cool. $. This is an unusually special operator. As is used to denote environment variables. These are variables set by the computer. You can set them yourself, but we'll get into that. That are used to affect different processes and how they work. Meaning that if you edit these variables, you change how certain processes work on your computer. For example, your current user is always stored in an environment variable called $user. You can view these variables with the echo command. So echo $user. Cool, let's do that. So echo $user. Shiba2, cool. All right. That just means environment variables can be used as input for other commands as well. For example, say I wanted to create a file with the name of our current user. I could do touch $user. I'm going to do it. Touch $user. ls. There we go. Recall that the blah blah, this operator appends output to a file. Environment variables can also be set pretty easily by running export variable name equals value. Can be set pretty easily. We'll set that as an environment variable. So export newt equals test echo newt will return test. So it's like a variable. Okay. So how would you set newt equal to quad 1? So you would set that by doing so you do export newt equals 1111. I'm pretty sure. Hey, what's the value of the home environment variable? Someone is messaging me. What the heck? Dinner is ready, BB? Well, okay then. Just kidding. I guess, yeah. Jesus.
There you go.
You give me enough?
I hope so. Oh.
Yo, my wife just gave me like 5 pounds of freaking salad. Look at this, dude. Oh my god. As my wife's cat is also trying to terrorize my dog, who I also need to feed at some point soon. Of course, she hears me and then she does it herself. Primo. Alright, let's continue. So, what's the value of the home environment variable? Home environment variable. So if I did if you edit these variables, you can change how certain processes. For example, your current user is always stored in an environment variable called $user. You can view these variables with the echo command. Okay, so echo $home. Home. Home slash. Okay, cool. So it's slash home. So you have to do it all caps, is what it looks like. But slash home slash Shiba 2. Hey! I got it right. Dope. All right. Ooh, this is when we get into fun stuff right here. Look at the salad my wife made me. It's freaking huge. Freaking bombastic, guys. I'm just saying. All right. All right, so continue with the trend of very special operators. We have the pipe. The pipe is unique because while operators like greater allow you to store the output of a command, the pipe operator allows you to take the output of a command and use it as input for the next command. For example, I can use cat to get the output of a file and pipe that into grep to search for a specific string. Note, we will learn more about grep later, but for now, just know that's a command to use to find specific strings in an input. Okay. It's worth noting that not all commands support the pipe, and some that do support it require you to use dash instead of input. For example, cat tac. So always check to see if the command does support it. Okay. All right. The semicolon. Is that what that is? Semicolon? I think that's what it's called. The semicolon operator works a lot like and. However, it does not require the first command to execute successfully. This means you can do blah, 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 and ls, and you will still see the output of ls. Okay, dope. I can dig it. All right, now we go into the grader. The grader is the operator for output redirection. So, meaning that you can redirect the output of any command to a file. For example, if I were to run echo hello to file, then instead of outputting hello to the console, it would save that output to a file called file. Okay. It is worth noting that if you were To use this operator on a file that already exists, it would completely erase the contents of that file and replace it with the output from your command. How would you output 20 to a file called test? So I would do, I'd probably do echo 20 to a file called test. I'm pretty sure. Hey! Woo, boys! I'm getting it right. Get it right. All right. And N does mainly the same thing as, with one key difference. It appends the output of a command to a file instead of erasing it. Ah. So it adds to it. I'm pretty sure. I think it's good. Mm-hmm. Binary should be 2. This challenge is pretty simple. The binary is checking to see if the environment variable test1234 exists, and if it's set equal to the current user environment variable. What is Shiba 3's password? Okay, so we'll do. So I'm pretty sure. Environment. Okay, so. I need to run the binary Shiba 2. So in the home directory, I'm pretty sure, right? Well, let's do ls. Because didn't I create Shiba 2? Echo $user, touch $user. I did. So. Oh no, did I ruin it? Oh my god. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, alright, let's see if I can get this. Alright. Boom / Shiba 2. Segment fault. Core dumped. What? So I probably need to do an echo? I don't know what that was. So echo. Oops. Echo. I'm pretty sure I fucked it up. Or I just use what is that? I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I fucked this up actually. / Shiba 2. Shiba 2. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I screwed this up. All right, so hint. Export test and then yeah, I'm going. Okay, so I'm gonna do close the terminal, close it. All right, so I need to terminate it. I need to restart it, I think. There we go. I'm pretty sure I screwed it up. Pretty sure that's what happened. Because I did that touch without listing first. And so it screwed up the entire thing. That's kind of just what I'm guessing, though. I am my own participant. There we go. All right, so now terminal. So SSH Shiba 2 at right. Yep. So at 10.10. Oops. 10.10.137.1. Oops. Dot 143. Yes. All right. Ping u ftw. There we go. All right. So if I ls this, yep, there was a Shiba 2 already there. I ruined it. All right. So this one, the binding is checking to see if the environment variable exists. This challenge is pretty simple. The binary is checking to see if the environment variable exists, and if it's equal to the current $user environment variable. Export. Okay, so export test 1, 2, 3, 4 equal $user. And then run / Shiba 2. Nope. Or no, I need a echo / Shiba 2. Nope. / Shiba 2 echo. Nope. Echo. Nope. Cat Shiba 2. I don't know what any of that is. All right, so okay, so I set the user. So I set wait, isn't there like a oh, I need to do $1. That's right. To denote environment variables. That's right. Okay, so did I do that earlier? I don't think so. So $. Oh no, what's happening? What's going on? What's going on? Uh-oh. Something's going on. I don't know what's going on.
Stop!
There we go. Oh, no. Darn it. Well, there goes my hour, I guess. That is unfortunate. Yeah, it's actually been about an hour. I wasted too much time. All right. But this is good because we're done with that. All right.